I got another Breeze Altissa. It's really not really a good fan at all. I've tested another one of those and I barely felt any air. As you can see, it's got the Breeze pull chain. I tested better fans than this and it's already wobbling already. But, you know, no fan's a fan here, so it's really nothing special. It does wobble quite a lot, especially on that low speed, so wow, I really feel nothing. There's just the light chain's wobbling like crazy. I really feel nothing from it. Yep. As you see here, it really doesn't push much air. Sam, put your hand, like, feel this. I really don't feel much from it. And this is medium. I literally feel almost nothing.
Me neither.
High speed. As I said, this thing really performs awful. You can feel a tiny bit of air, but you can't really feel that much. And it's already wobbling a lot. I wouldn't recommend this to anybody who really wants a fan that does the job. This doesn't cut for me. It does look nice, but that's about it. It's only flash, nothing performance, really. That's it with this piece of junk. Anyways, it's Harbor Breeze, junk for you, so yeah, there you have it.